So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number, type HP OfficeJet 8015 all in one. Select your operating system if you are using different. Okay, all installations and downloading process same of your printer driver. Slow down. So do not install guys this is HP start printer, so this is software, so and this is required to internet. Try to download this basics driver. Okay, support, just click to download. And if you have to update the printer driver, so you can see the printer driver, keep your printer update latest fix. So this is printer driver. Okay, just download and very simple, just double click to open and next to install it. So I'm driver is not installed. This is basic driver and you can see this size and click to download. After that, open this setup. Now this is extracting data. Then click to yes. Then next, I agree, accept. This is connecting printer and will to enable yes. Firmware updations automatically or nobody. So automatic. This is printer analyst. You are required to, you can yes. Now this is one of two. There are two processes to install driver. So you can see there are two types to install, automatic and manual. If you know your very well your printer IP address and which system to connect and share to network, so you can select the manual, otherwise select the automatic. And then next, now this is software find to your printer from your system in your network, and you can see all the printers show here, which is you connect and select to next to install it. Okay, like that. Okay, and this is you can connect to USB. Okay, and then finish to install.